Tak się dochodzi do dużych
Tak się kicha.
Nie, słuchajcie, ja wam mówię, ten hip-hop
Z fotografiami, kurde.
na gazecie.
No i dobrze, że kupiłam? Dobrze.
Ale wszyscy zazdroszczą, co?
Zazdraszczajcie teraz.
अच्छा ओ they will be the background अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है pierwszy na przykład idol da robimy interview i jeśli jest ok dla mnie no pokażę For local communities, we can't, it's a very short period of time. It's only 12 days we have. So we can't do too much, but whatever we can. First thing is, of course, not to throw plastics everywhere, be ecological. Secondly is helping the local communities, which is, for example, they just bought lots of presents, look, bats and all this, because to inspire the poor children, because parents are not encouraging them to go to the school. So we are trying, because I have been a part of different organizations where they're trying to inspire the children by giving books and pencils. I always say to everyone, do not give money to children, as we all know, but we tend to give sometimes. So instead, give pens, pencils, books. They brought, look at this, how much. Also, Danusha brought nice little torches so that children can go for private tuition in the dark, so that the parents don't say, don't go, you don't have light. So anything, possible we are trying to do. So yeah, we're just basically doing whatever we can, and also obviously helping our drivers, them sometimes gifts for their families, this, that. Those are normal stuff. But we are trying to inspire the children who is the next generation of our country. So we're so happy to be here in Kaziranga National Park. I come here every single year and bring these beautiful, good-hearted tourists to here. Why? Because they also love authentic travel experience. And in Kaziranga, you can have very real Indian travel experience. And what is unique about Kaziranga National Park is it's one of the only places in the world where you can go on a safari on an elephant back. You can go in Africa, but you go on a jeep and see the animals. But here in Kaziranga, you go on an elephant and be very close to the animals. And it's a truly unique experience. And I have taken part in different government of India's, like the Incredible India Tourism's boards, different promotions. And I always say about Kaziranga, about Rajasthan, those are some unique, all over India, there are so many unique things. But here you really can have very, very unique safari experience. Of course, you go on a jeep as well and see other parts of the national park, but it's something unbelievable, and I definitely recommend to everyone, every foreigner, to come and enjoy this safari. Okay. Pens and things like that. Ale to nie ma szateczka, dobrze, czy nie ma plastik? Dlatego jeśli to wyrzucimy plastik, widzicie co się
Do latarki mam.
dobrze, że... O, ja mam... Ja mam... Zobacz.
A mojego sfotografowałeś?
Cześć, używasz tego? O, zobacz.
Życie, Ania się uśmiecha. Zobacz. Danusia, jak tam wyszło ładnie? Tak, ładnie. Pięknie, jakie oceny.
Każdy ma swoje miejsce.
To najważniejsze już.
Photo and video. That's why I bought this very good camera. So I have a lot of photos.
Kaziranga, what's your feeling after visiting Kaziranga and passaging in some?
It's a very interesting place. It's quite unique for us because we obviously don't have national parks like that in Europe. I think it's quite original. I enjoy it. Everybody here is thrilled. We've seen rhinos. We were experiencing a sunset in Kaziranga Park. That's beautiful.
Where are you from, man?
We are Polish. We are from Poland.